Let's take a look at how we can do some 3D procedural modeling with the help of modifiers inside 3ds Max. So I have a simple chamfer cylinder, and I've given it some nice fillet and some nice segments in its height and some fillet segments and so on. Let's apply a simple modifier on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a simple, how about a taper modifier. And I'm going to give it some taper amount and some curve and kind of going to taper it. So it already looks like a nice little object, like a drum or something. Let's apply on top of this, let's apply a twist. And let's twist it a little bit. And twist bias. I can also twist it in a different angle or a different axis if I want to. So right now this is fine, and I can also decide to go to the gizmo or the center in this case, and I can just twist it from somewhere else. So right now I'm okay with the twist, and you can see it actually is twisting. So if I turn off the twist, it allows me to, you can see the topology right there. You can see the edge faces. I can also change the order of these modifiers just by having the taper after the twist. So in this case it's not affecting much, so let's go and apply another one. So let's go to bend, and I'm going to bend this object right about there. And now at this time I'm going to go to the taper, and you can see when I clicked on the taper the other two are not showing up. That effect is gone. So if you want to keep that effect, and if you want to modify the taper at this level in the stack while still seeing these two, you can turn this on over here called show end result on off toggle. So if it's going out, there you go. So right now I'm gonna change the taper and put it on top over here, and you can see it's totally different. And I can change it. I can go over here and bend it more. I can even twist it slightly more. And now on top of this, let me turn on the edge faces. I can apply a noise modifier. And the noise is over here, so let's apply it on top. Let's give it a fractal noise in X, Y, and Z. Right over there, right around there. And also some iterations, some kind of roughness over there. And a little more strength in the Y. I can also animate this if I wanted to. And the scale, I can take it down slightly. And then at this time I can go and apply another modifier, which is a turbo smooth, to smooth this effect out. And I can turn on the isoline display, and there you go. So that's the kind of object I'm getting right now. It's almost something like a character which is wearing like a hoodie. But the cool thing is I started with a simple cylinder, and I can nicely modify them procedurally. I can turn them off if I wanted to. If I don't need something, I can just turn it off, or I can just change the order at any time right there. So you can see totally different looking object again. So there you go. That's your modifiers with the modifier stack, and how you can nicely play around with them and change the stack order and get a totally different looking object each time.